loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel guys. I hope you all are safe and fine. So today I'm sharing with you guys this festive glam look specially for Diwali, and trust me, this look is super easy to create. By the way, I have got a terrible cold, so I can't talk too much. That's why I can't be able to shoot videos from past few days, and I'm really sorry for that. And also I can't be able to give voiceover to this video, and sorry for that again. By the way, if you are new to my channel, then just take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. So yeah guys, let's get started. this is it for today's video guys. I hope this video will helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. And if you like this video, then please do like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. I will link it down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And I wish you guys a very happy Diwali. So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay safe and I love you all.